morning, guys. This is Eric. It's been a while since the last time I uploaded anything. Today I'm gonna be making a video on how to replace the brake pads on my 2000 Mercedes-Benz E320. It's not a hard job to do. If you look at this side right here, you'll notice we have this spindle right here, and it goes all the way across, and then we have like a retainer clip right here. So this is actually creating some pressure, pushing the pads to avoid vibration, and then of course keeping both brake pads in place. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'll be pushing this spindle in, getting it out of the way, and then once I get it out, I will be able to go ahead and remove the older brake pads. One thing that's very important for the brake pad replacement of the rear brakes is to open up your brake reservoir to release pressure, because of course you're gonna have some brake fluid coming back up, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and use the screwdriver to pry the older brake pad, and then try to close the piston caliper. Okay, so now that we pushed in the caliper pistons, we have enough clearance for the new brake pads, and then I'm gonna remove the older ones. Look how much clearance is there versus this one here. So we're gonna go ahead and put the new one in there, and then let's remove the older one. Look at the pad worn out versus the new one. Same thing, put it back in there. And then the next step is to put back the retainer clip like that, and then you have to put in the spindle back in place. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the spindle back in. We have the retainer clip here to push in a little bit. There you go. All set. Hammering in.